Vitamin A is the general name for a group of fat-soluble compounds that are highly important for human health. Vitamin A is essential for many processes in the body, including maintaining healthy vision, ensuring the immune system and normal functioning of organs, and helping embryos to grow and develop properly during pregnancy. It is one of the vitamins that is stored in the body, and excess vitamin A consumption has negative consequences.
If you want to get information on other important issues related to healthy and long life, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.
Vitamin A, which is in the fat-soluble vitamin group, is also called retinol. Vitamin is found in foods in two different ways. In animal products such as meat and dairy products, it is performed, while in plants, provitamin is converted into vitamin in the body. About 8% of beta-carotene in food is converted into vitamin in the body. The liver stores 90% of the body's vitamin A. Vitamin A needs can be easily met from food. Vitamin A is most commonly found in olive fish, dairy products, eggs, and liver. Vitamin A supplements can also be dangerous if anticoagulants, cancer drugs such as beta-carotene, hepatotoxic drugs, or prescription retinoids are used. Vitamin A is used for vision, repairing and strengthening the skin, healing skin diseases, healthy teeth and bone structure, and infections caused by viruses. Vitamin A helps the immune system to stay healthy and function optimally. Since vitamin A is a powerful antioxidant, it is used in cardiovascular diseases and as an agent that strengthens the immune system. Vitamin A protects against various types of cancer and aging-related diseases. It is also used in sun-sensitive diseases. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining a healthy reproductive system in both men and women, as well as ensuring the normal growth and development of embryos during pregnancy. Although the questions which foods contain the most vitamin A and what to eat in case of vitamin A deficiency are frequently asked, many foods are rich in vitamin A. It is found in foods as vitamin A retinol and vitamin A precursor carotene. The main food sources of vitamin include meat, dairy products, olive fish, and eggs. It is found in fruits, melon, apricot, mango, papaya. Vegetables - green, orange, and yellow vegetables, such as green leafy vegetables, spinach, broccoli, carrots, sweet potatoes, and pumpkin, and other plant-based products. Vitamin A can only be absorbed in the body when consumed with fat. Therefore, if the source of vitamin A does not have a lot of fat on its own, it should be consumed in combination with useful and high-quality sources of fat, such as olive oil, avocado, or nuts. Vitamin A deficiency is more common in people with inadequate and unbalanced diets and during childhood, pregnancy, and lactation when growth is rapid. Vitamin A deficiency is manifested by symptoms such as night blindness, very dry and rough skin, dandruff on the scalp, weakening of the immune system, dry eyes, increase in infectious diseases due to weakening of the immune system, and growth retardation in children. Vitamin A deficiency is a known risk factor for measles. The most common deficiency symptom is an eye condition called xerophthalmia. The inability to see in low light. Left untreated, it can lead to blindness. Research shows that in the long term, a diet rich in vitamin A may be a good preventative for pre-aging and potentially reduce the risk of skin cancer. Vitamin A is involved in the construction, development, and protection of epithelial tissue, such as skin. It accelerates the renewal and repair of skin cells and helps to remove the dead skin layer on the skin thanks to the renewal of the skin surface. It helps to reduce localized spots in the upper skin layer called epidermis. It prevents the formation of fine aging lines and shows anti-aging effect when used regularly. It supports collagen production, making the skin more flexible and durable. Before using products containing retinoids, a dermatologist should be consulted and the suitability of the skin structure should be learned. Treatments with retinoic acid derivatives are frequently preferred in the fall and winter periods, when the sun loses its effect. Vitamin A is found in foods as retinol and carotene. The precursor of vitamin A, the daily vitamin A requirement is 1,000 micrograms for an adult male, 800 micrograms for an adult female and 300 to 600 micrograms for children and adolescents. Vitamin A can be obtained naturally by consuming plenty of red, orange, or yellow vegetables along with some animal foods. The intended use determines the dose of vitamin A. Pregnant women should not use vitamin A. Vitamin A in the form of retinol is taken from foods of animal origin such as liver, fish oil, milk, butter, and eggs. Vitamin A can also be produced from some carotenoid antioxidants found in plants. It is most abundant in yellow, orange, dark green leafy vegetables and yellow and orange fruits.
You can support us by liking the video, writing your thoughts on the subject in the comments, and subscribing to the channel for the development of the channel and more such content.